Hello friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you to new tutorial of devotional study. Today we'll be learning more about list in HTML. So let's get started. Hello friends, this is Akshay. So we will be learning today about list in HTML. So let's first take a look. What are we learning today? Today we'll be learning what is list in HTML. Second, what kind of list are we learning today? Like ordered, unordered, or description list. These kind of lists we'll be learning. You can even see in this image. So let's move on to the examples and the practical process, right? So I'll show you here. So first of all, we need to learn about HTML list. So the list, basically HTML lists are used to specify the list of information. The information you'll be posting in your web page, in your document, right? So the list of information will be posted using the list tags, right? All list, I mean, may contain one or two or more list elements. There are like a lot of list elements we'll be having, so we can put those list elements in a document, right? There are like three different types of list we'll be learning today. First will be ordered list, or we can name it as a numbered list. Second will be learning about unordered list or bulleted list, which will be not in the number format. That will be unordered list. And the last one will be description list. We'll learn each and every list one by one, right? So first let's start with ordered list. So the ordered list is basically, you can say all the list items are marked with numbers. Okay, if you wanna, you can see in this image as well the example and the syntax, right? So if you want to mark all the list items as marked element, I mean, you if you want to mark those elements with numbers, you should use order list. Okay, so first let's see here. Let's go to the practical process here. Let's see how can we create an ordered list. So I will save this document first as ordered.html, okay, in the same directory. Okay, so let me initiate with the HTML code. Okay, we'll come with the in the body section. Okay, in the body section, first we need to create a list. So in order to create an ordered list, we need to use OL tag. Okay, this should be the tag where we can proceed with our order list. So do not forget, whenever you'll be opening any tag, you should close it right away. Okay, so next thing, in order to create list, we need to get list items. So list items will be covered by li tag. So suppose if I'll give here like Monday, I'm creating a list of I mean the days in a week. Okay, so second will be Tuesday. Okay, and I'm not creating all of the days, but I'm just giving you an example by putting 3 or 4 days here. Wednesday, and I'll keep it till here. Thursday, right? Let's leave it. Okay, I'll save it. Let's open this document. Let's have a check what is happening, right? So I will go to I've already saved this document here, right? I will go to the directory. Okay, let me open this directory here. Okay, sorry here. Okay, I'll go to the directory. It's on the desktop. This should be the directory. We have the ordered HTML. Let's run this code and let's have a check what is happening here. So you can see we have created an ordered list where we'll be getting the list items as 1, 2, 3. We didn't mention any number over there, right? We just mentioned the list item. Li means list item, OL means ordered list, right? So this is our ordered list. Okay, so let's move on to the next image. So in this image you can see the next topic we have is unordered list. If we want, I mean, all the list items are marked with bullets in this particular list or unordered list tag, right? It is also known as a bulleted list. Okay, so unordered list starts with UL and the ordered list starts with OL, but the list item will be mentioned as LI only. Okay, so let's focus in this example. So I will just show you by renaming OL to UL. I mean, it will become OL, that means ordered list, to unordered list. I have saved this document. Let's go ahead and reload this page, right? So we're getting bullets now. Previously we were getting numbers because that list was ordered list. Here we're getting bullets, that means it is unordered list. So that is the difference between those two. Okay, if you want to create a list where we'll be having okay, let me tell you one more thing. In order to, you must have seen a lot of a website will be having menus, right? Menus, among those menus will be having sub menus. If you'll go to home page and any website, right? So basically these this ordered or unordered we'll use in order to create those kind of menus. Okay, we will show I will be creating an example as well uh, with when we'll be working on CSS. Okay, because that'll easier for us as well to give you an example using CSS helps a lot, right? So let's move on to the next tag. We have a description list. Okay, so description list, as you can see in this image, description list is basically the list style which is supported by HTML and XHTML, and this is basically a definition list. If you want to create a definition, you must have written exams, right? And in exams, if you're getting any question, you'll be writing any definition. So first you'll give a title and then you'll start with the definition. There is a format for it, right? So in order to get those formats in the web page, we will use a definition or description list tag. It defines with DL. Okay, and there are like 3 tags available in this particular tag. So we'll go for DL, DT and DD. DL means that defines the start of list, where the list is getting started, right? Like the way we started with OL and UL, in the same manner. Under that particular tag, we'll be having 2 more tags, that is DD and DD. Basically DD, which defines the term. I mean, if you're writing any definition about computer, as you can see in this image, if you're writing any computer definition about computer, you can simply give the name under in between DD tag, and if you want to give the description about that definition to the computer, you can simply go for DD tag in order to give the description, right? So here let's move on to this screen where we'll be showing you about the example. So I'll be creating a definition list here. It's very easy, you don't have to worry about it. Simply let's start with DL tag. So this tag will give us the definition or description list, where and one more thing, it is a different if you'll compare DL OL and UL, because we are not using any LI tag. Here 2 tags will be there, DT and DL. DD stands for just for the term. If I am writing an definition about computer, I can starts with DT. Okay, that is the term we will be using. Okay, and if I want to give the description, I can use the DD. So a computer is an electronic device, right? I just save it here, sorry for that. I just save it here, and I'll go ahead and I'll reload this page. So as you can see, we are having computer as a term, and the second thing is the DD tag. The description is coming, and it is in the formatted way. It's coming in the formatted way, so we don't have to provide CSS, extra CSS for it. It is basically used by and using their own format, right? So this is the description, UL and order list. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and share the video if you want. And if you have any query, please leave your comment in the section below. Thank you, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye bye.